Yo guys, today we're working on this white Mazda and we're gonna show you how to spray clear coat without getting that ugly orange peel finish. Because nobody wants their paint looking like a refrigerator with texture. A lot of beginners think clear coat is just spray and shine. Then boom, dry spots, runs, orange peel, and pain. One minute you feel like a professional painter, next minute the bonnet looks like a golf ball. In this video, I'm gonna show you the proper gun distance, how wet your coat should be, flash-off times, and the small mistakes that ruin a paint job fast. Because honestly, sometimes the problem isn't the clear coat, it's the hand holding the spray gun. We already laid the base coat, and the white is looking clean. Now it's time for the clear to bring that deep gloss and reflection. So grab your spray gun, clean your tack cloth, and let's turn this Mazda into a mirror. And if you want to improve your paint and polishing skills, hit subscribe because we've got more real workshop videos coming. All right guys, first pass of clear coat going down on this white Mazda. This first coat is very important because this is where you set the foundation for the whole finish. If you rush here, the clear coat will humble you immediately. Now watch the gun movement carefully, nice and smooth, keeping the same distance from the panel the whole time. Don't spray too close or you'll get runs. Too far? Congratulations, you just invented dry spray. You also want to keep about a 50% overlap on every pass. That means each new pass covers half of the previous one. That's how you keep the clear coat even and glossy instead of patchy and sad looking. And look at the speed, not too fast, not too slow. Beginners usually panic and start spraying like they're late for school. Relax. Let the clear flow out naturally. This first coat is more like a medium wet coat. We're not trying to flood the panel yet. We just want smooth, even coverage so the second coat can really lay down glossy. Also pay attention to the reflection already building up on this white Mazda. White paint can sometimes hide defects, but clear coat tells the truth immediately. The clear coat is basically the final exam of painting. And another thing, always keep the gun straight to the surface. Don't swing your arm like you're fishing. Keep the gun parallel from start to finish so the material lands evenly. You can already see the shine starting to wake up now. This is the moment every painter waits for. Base coat looks nice, but clear coat brings the magic. After this first pass, we're gonna let it flash off properly before the second coat. Don't touch it, don't test it with your finger every 5 seconds, and definitely don't let your friend who knows painting come breathe on the panel. So far the clear is laying down smooth, the reflections are clean, and this Mazda is starting to look fresh. Stay tuned because the second coat is where the real glass finish starts coming alive. All right guys, the first coat is flashing off now. This is the waiting stage where the clear starts settling and getting ready for the next coat. Don't rush this part because spraying too early can trap solvents and ruin the finish. You can already see the gloss calming down evenly on this white Mazda. Give it the proper flash time, let the clear breathe, then we'll come back with the second coat and really bring out the shine. All right guys, second coat time on this white Mazda. And this is the coat where the magic really starts happening. The first coat gave us coverage. Now the second coat brings the deep gloss, reflection, and that smooth glass finish everybody wants. Now watch the gun movement carefully again. Same distance, same overlap, nice and controlled. Painting is all about consistency. The clear coat can feel your fear, so stay calm. This second coat is going on wetter than the first one, not dripping wet like soup, but wet enough for the clear to level out smoothly. That's how you reduce orange peel and get that clean reflection. Look at the panel already. The shine is waking up properly now. This Mazda is starting to look like it drinks bottled water only. And notice how we're keeping the gun parallel to the surface the whole time. No arcing, no twisting the wrist, no random movements. A lot of beginners accidentally spray the edges dry because they swing the gun away at the end of the pass. Also pay attention to your speed. If you move too fast, the clear goes on dry and rough. Too slow? Now you're creating runs big enough to slide down the panel like a water park. Another important thing is overlap. We're still keeping around 50% overlap, so every pass blends smoothly into the next one. That's what gives you an even finish across the whole panel. You can already see the reflections sharpening up now, and especially on this white paint. White can be tricky because it hides texture until sunlight exposes everything later. The sun is basically the final inspector. And remember, don't chase dry spots while spraying. Beginners love doing that. They spray one area, panic, go back immediately, then suddenly the clear starts sagging. Trust your passes and let the clear flow naturally. This coat is laying down smooth, glossy, and clean. We're gonna let this flash properly, then decide if the Mazda needs another coat for extra depth and protection. So far, she's looking fresh. All right, guys, second coat is flashing off now. And look at that gloss settling down nicely on this white Mazda. This is where patience matters. Don't rush the next coat or the clear coat will start acting disrespectful. Let it flash properly, then we'll come back with even more shine. All right, guys, third and final coat going down on this white Mazda, and this is where we really lock in the gloss and protection. The first coat gave us grip, the second coat brought the shine, and now this final coat is adding that deep wet look. Now at this stage, confidence matters. Smooth passes, controlled speed, and steady overlap. No panic spraying. The clear coat can smell nervousness. We're laying this coat down nice and wet so the surface can level out smoothly. You can already see the reflections getting sharper with every pass. This is the part that makes all the sanding, masking, and prep work worth it. Also notice we're still keeping the gun parallel to the panel the whole time. Consistency is everything in painting. One bad pass can turn a beautiful finish into a polishing workout later. And look at that shine now. This Mazda is looking cleaner than it did in the showroom. White paint with a proper clear coat just hits differently when the reflections start popping. A lot of beginners think more clear automatically means better results. Not always. If you spray too heavy, the runs will appear faster than your friends saying, "I know how to paint." This third coat is flowing out nicely, the gloss is even, and the finish is looking smooth. Once this cures properly, this paint is going to look absolutely fresh in the sunlight. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your paint and polishing skills, subscribe and turn on notifications because more real workshop videos are coming.